So over here, you can see that I am in Google Data Studio homepage, and then this Data Studio behaves in a certain way. And if you want to change around how this actually behaves, then you can work around with the Data Studio settings. And to access out the Data Studio settings, you can go around over here on to the user settings right here. And if you were to click around over here, then you can see that these are the settings right here. So you can set up email preferences right here and so forth. So here you can see there's tips and recommendations. And if you would like to receive emails regarding the tips and recommendations, then you can click yes right here. So here there's product announcement and market research as well. So if you want details regarding these, you can press yes and no to the marketing preferences over here. You can go to developer options as well. So if you want to have developer options, and especially if you are a programmer, then you can enable this to experiment out with different things that you can integrate inside of Google Data Studio. You can go to account and privacy right here to change your privacy level over here as well. So you can see that you can change around your primary contact right here in case you want to recover out your data right here as well. Similarly, there's like revoke data options over here as well, which allows you to revoke credentials by clicking on this button right here, just like this, but there's nothing to revoke right now. But if I were to go to revoke consent, then you can change that around over here as well, as you can see. And these are the options that you can actually modify according to how you like to let Data Studio behave the way you like. And you can see that this also means that you can adjust the security preferences so that your Data Studio datas are secure. So that is how you can utilize the Data Studio settings. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.